Canada's 2023 wildfires have shocked the world with their massive carbon emissions. The 2023 wildfires in Canada released a staggering 647 megatons of carbon into the atmosphere. To put that in perspective, that's more than the annual emissions of Germany, Japan, and Russia. If these fires were a country, they'd rank as the world's fourth largest emitter, just behind China, India, and the United States. Climate change is creating hotter and drier conditions, making forests more susceptible to these devastating fires. Last year alone, 15 million hectares of land, or about 4% of Canada's forests, were consumed by flames. The impact is clear, relying on forests as carbon sinks becomes increasingly unreliable. Our global carbon budgets might be off, making it even harder to meet targets to limit global warming to 1 or 2 C. This is a stark reminder of the urgent need to limit fossil fuels and address climate change. We must mitigate the potentially catastrophic consequences. The future of our forests and our planet depends on it.